Hey you guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel, and today we are decorating the hot cocoa bar and we are decorating our master's bedroom. So I hope you guys stay tuned and keep on watching. So I decided that I was going to clean off the shelf and rearrange it and decorate it, just kind of rearrange the decorations on it and add some decorations to it for fall. And so it is a wine and coffee bar already, so we just added cocoa to the mix. And so these are the same serves that were there. These are the new football mugs that I had purchased in the last video. They were $1.50, and fall and football just go together. So I said, well, I could just add the football decorations into the cocoa bar, and I thought they were so cute. And all of those decorations did come from Dollar General, and they were on sale, and they're 75% off as of now. If you guys want to go get some fall decorations for football season, because they have those on sale, and those are just the same coffee mugs that I had up there recently, and I just rearranged them. And this is just me cleaning off the countertops, getting ready to put the stand up. That was my husband. He was showing me about this gospel rap artist that he listened to. But yeah, I was cleaning this off, and I was about to get ready to put the muffins on for the hot cocoa bar. We brought some muffins from Walmart, and I wanted to make sure they were individually wrapped so they wouldn't go bad while they were sitting up there or get hard or anything like that. So, and this is chocolate blueberry muffins and then banana nut muffins, and they come in a box of, I think, 15. So this is our Keurig. I was just wiping it off. It had a little bit of coffee stain because my husband does make him coffee from time to time. I don't really drink coffee like that anymore. Since I finished with my nursing school and all of that, I don't drink coffee like that. Maybe it's very rare, but he makes him coffee, so that's really his coffee bar, not mine. And my daughter, she wanted to do some hot chocolate, so that's what inspired the hot cocoa bar. So the colors are a little bit different because my color scheme in my house is blue, so it's gonna be all types of colors in this cocoa bar, but I mean, it serves its purpose. So we just got us some small little marshmallows, and then we got us some hot chocolate right there, and I'm putting them in these little containers that I got from Dollar General for $1.50. And my best friend, she was telling me that these jars would go good if you were also like meal prepping, like overnight oats and stuff. And I didn't even think about that, but they had those on sale, so they're actually 75% off now if you go and if you find some. So you can probably use those for meal prepping as well. And that's a little older sign that I had there, and my frother, all of that been there. So yeah, I brought some syrups to go over the hot chocolate, and I didn't realize they have high fructose corn syrup in those. So I'll probably be going back to get a different kind, but for right now they'll do. All right, we're moving on to the bedroom. So I'm just, making the bed here. It was already partially made, so I'm just putting a blanket over it. And those are the pumpkins that I had got for like $3 at Walmart. And then I decided to add green, just a little pop of color. And some of my green decor is actually out in our storage room. So I just worked what we had in the house. But yeah, those are little pumpkins, and you can just sit little things in there, like you take your earrings off, your wedding ring, stuff like that. I thought that was such cute wicker baskets. And my daughter's right here helping me put together this corner stand, because we were going to sit our little mini fridge where we put the little small waters in there. And I like to eat dark chocolate covered almonds, and I was just going to put some of those in there just so we can just in case we wanted a little snack while I was watching TV. So I actually found this little corner shelving in Dollar General for $15. Such a good price. So I was able to put it together by myself. So it's kind of it's not the sturdiest, but it will do for $15. I mean, it's not like super sturdy if you were getting like something high quality, but I mean the refrigerator is very, very small, as you can see. And y'all, that refrigerator cost me $12.50. And my husband wanted one for his man cave. I went back, it was $6.50. I found him another one. The last one at another Dollar General. But yeah, you guys got to get with Dollar General with them sales, because they be having them. And right here, I'm just vacuuming our floor. In our house, we have hardwood flooring, all except in this bedroom. My husband wanted carpet. And, you know, I'm not mad at the carpet, actually. I really have grown to love the carpet, actually. Especially in the colder months. It feels better on your feet than walking on hardwood. And I don't wear a lot of socks, so I have to when it gets cold because of the hardwood flooring. But I really love the carpet. My husband actually put this carpet down with one of his close friends. And, I mean, we love it. We do everything pretty much. We try to do it on a budget. So, yeah, so I'm just vacuuming. And in our bedroom, I don't know if I showed it to a T, but we decided to go with a wood theme, because we just wanted like a classic, just bedroom vibe. I wanted to do the more wood tones, cozy like feel. So that's why I decided with that one. I haven't shown you guys the bed yet, but this bed, you can lift the head of the bed up where you see it moving. So I do love that. And this is just a button to flatten it back down. So we're just gonna flat it back down because nobody's in it. But it moves up and down. Tuck that in. But yeah, with this bed, and then we can turn the light on the bed, and it has an under bed light. So that is it for you can see the light under the bed. And so that's it for my cleaning and my decorating for the fall. So yeah, and we also have this little area over here. This area, I'm going to probably put like a little small round table. Yes, I'm going to put a small round table right here. You guys stay tuned for that. It's going to be really, really cool. So I'm going to get that there. And yeah. All right, that's it.